USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share all of that. And then below the video we have these links. The first link says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link, you will come to this page where you can watch these setups and the screenshots. So you can get these setups yourself if you join the program. Second link is all about consultation and brokers. So if you want to consult with me, you can book here. And you can always join my free Telegram. So I'll send you all the screenshots in my Telegram. Go and join it. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, weekly we are still up. Daily we are still up or near the EMA, okay? And then 4 hour we are below the EMA, okay? You know what? Don't trade USDJPY. That's a secret I'm telling you right now, okay? I have given you IUD, USD, Euro, USD, GP, USD, USD, CAD 4 analysis. I have given you USD, JPY. Avoid for now. That's my personal recommendation. Avoid USD, JPY. Otherwise, trade, it might go down. Okay, USD, JPY might go down, but don't trade it. Trade Euro, USD, trade GBP, USD, trade USD, CAD, trade IUD, USD. I think Euro USD GBP USD is more than enough, okay? So USD JPY might go down, but don't trade it. That's it. If you want precise entry exit with SL, then join the first program, check this out, and I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.